Hello guys, today I will make a spring makeup ready for a day out. Let's get started. Firstly, I will start by using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix and Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery the second. The next thing, I will start using the Cream Resilience Multi-Effect by Estee Lauder. Even though it's a lifting cream, I really like the texture of it. I want to make today's video special, so I'm using Scott Barnes technique. This means that I will start contouring my face first, then I will apply the foundation. To contour my face, I will use a mastic from Fenty Beauty. As a concealer, I will use also Catrice Camouflage cream. As a foundation, I will use Long Cover Fluid from Paese mixed with Infaillible 24-hour fresh wear. For powder, I will use Cinecitta Makeup Powder de Riso. To contour my face, I will use a contouring palette from Wet n Wet. For blush, I will use Bobbi Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder. To highlight my face, I will use highlighting powder from Wet n Wet. For my eyes, I will do something simple. I will use a palette from Estee Lauder and few shades from Revolution and Soph palette. because it's spring, I want to use a bit of pop color in the inner corner. The next thing, I will do a wing liner using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So the liner is done. I drew some dots around it to make it more fun. Next, I will start using Ultimate Brow Kit by Wet n Wild. For my eyebrows, I will use Tinted Brow Mascara from NYX. For mascara, I will use Sumptuous Extreme from Estee Lauder. For my lips, I will use a Kiko liner in the shade 303. For my lips, I will use a MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. So the final opinion is that I really like the Estee products, especially it was my first time testing the Advanced Night Repair Matrix and Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. I'm familiar with Estee Lauder, especially the foundation I've used a lot of times. The Resilience Multi-Effect, even though it's not a cream that I need to use because it's a lifting cream, I really like the texture and it has SPF 15. The Kohl pencil and the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara are very pigmented and very black, and I really like it, especially that it gives my lashes volume. The eyeshadow palette, it's okay, because I have the mini version, I don't have the full version. The colors are pigmented, they are easy to blend, and as a conclusion, I really like the brand, and it's like a professional brand. It's between luxury and drugstore. The makeup, it's already done. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.